Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh inspected the strawberry market at Khyndailad. Speaking to the media, Paul Lyngdoh said it is for the first time that the Tourism Department, in collaboration with the Department of Horticulture, came forward to encourage the farmers. He also said a couple of weeks back the department had organized the Strawberry Festival in villages where strawberry is grown, that is Solia village, Noron and Sintung. The festival was meant to create awareness and sensitization of people about the need to encourage locally grown producers.
For the first time, the Tourism Department, in collaboration with the Department of Horticulture, has gone ahead to encourage our growers, our farmers. A couple of weeks back, we have had the Strawberry Festival in villages where strawberry is locally grown, that is Solia, Noron and Sintung villages. And the festival was meant to create awareness and sensitize people about the need to encourage locally grown produce.
Tourism Minister Paul